Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Hoschton, Georgia today. It's almost 1 o'clock. This is a repeat customer. We actually did the floors, carpet, and hardwoods when this customer moved in. Now she's moving out. So we're cleaning again. There's not much to see in most of these rooms. There's most of the spots are upstairs in the upstairs bedroom slash bonus room. Cut that fan off. But I see there's 5 areas downstairs, and then this is the master. Got the master here, and then there's a bedroom, bonus room upstairs. And this room's got a couple spots in it. See there, probably from spot cleaners. We do tell all of our customers not to use soapy products on carpet, but that's what they sell, that's what they buy. It does have a urine smell up here as well. So it looks like it's about 1 o'clock. Again, these spots are, there's on the 1, 2, 3, about a dozen spots in here or so. Spots are included with OMG. So we'll get done with this and shoot an after video. No per spot fees, no upsells. We give guaranteed exact pricing quotes. So if the technician tries to charge you more than what you're quoted, your carpet cleaning is free. Okay, guys, it's about 1:30. Started actually about 12:30. I thought it was closer to 1, but it was actually about 12:30. So it's 1:30. Just wrapped up this $280 job. You're probably going to see some towels still laying out. I had to retreat the upstairs because it had a really bad odor, so I went ahead and hit it again. It doesn't hurt to hit it after you're finished to make sure there's a good layer of odor treatment down. This is a repeat, as I said before. She is a pet owner, so that's that's no upsell. That's not an extra charge. That's included with our cleaning because we don't believe that 4-legged family members should be punished for that kind of situation. The upstairs came out really well. We'll head up there now. Like I said, I go with the cat. I got a light to cut off in here. No per spot fees, no upsells, no hidden charges. OMG floorcare.com 404-500-9853. As we started, there's about a dozen spots in here that all came out. This was the worst one. I think the dog stays up here. So she'll be happy with her move out clean. And we'll look forward to seeing her next time. We appreciate you guys watching. Again, if you need your carpets, hardwoods, or tile clean, 404-500-9853 on the web at omgfloorcare.com. We do put people in the carpet cleaning floor care business. If you're interested in that, give us a call. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Be kind. Take care.